there, tech pros! Welcome back to another deep dive into the world of cybersecurity. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's a ticking time bomb for your business, Cybercrime-as-a-Service, or CaaS. Yeah, you heard that right. Cybercrime has gone commercial. It's no longer just about lone hackers. It's an entire industry now. So what's Cybercrime-as-a-Service, or CaaS for short? Essentially, it's a business model where cybercriminals offer their expertise and tools for a fee. Imagine the dark web as a bustling marketplace where criminals sell and buy malicious tools and services. And it's booming like never before. Malware-as-a-Service, MaaS, and Ransomware-as-a-Service, RaaS, are leading the charge. These services are making it easier for anyone to launch a cyber attack. These services make it a breeze for even the least tech-savvy crook to get in on the action. You don't need to be a coding genius anymore. Here's where it gets scary. The accessibility of these services means more attacks, more often. Groups like Lockbit and Black Basta offer a full suite of services. They provide everything from hacking tools to customer support. From pre-made malware to phishing email templates, they've got it all. It's like a one-stop shop for cyber criminals. They're making it so much easier for anyone to become a cyber criminal. All you need is a bit of cash and a willingness to break the law. According to Darktrace's findings from January to June 2024, the most common threats are information-stealing malware at 29%, Trojans at 15%, remote access Trojans, or rats, at 12%, are particularly dangerous because they allow attackers to control your system remotely. Botnets and loaders at 6% each. These tools can turn your devices into part of a larger network of infected machines, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. The threats are numerous and constantly evolving. New threats are always emerging. For instance, Keylin ransomware. This new strain is particularly insidious. This nasty piece of work reboots infected machines in safe mode to bypass security tools. It's a clever trick that makes it tough for human security teams to react quickly. The speed and sophistication of these attacks are overwhelming. Ransomware is still a top concern, and the tactics are getting dirtier. Attackers are becoming more ruthless. Double extortion is the name of the game now. Attackers not only encrypt your data, but also threaten to publish it if you don't pay up. This adds another layer of pressure on victims to pay the ransom. Darktrace's threat research team identifies three main ransomware strains: Akira, Lockbit, and Black Basta. All three are notorious for their effectiveness. All three use double extortion methods. This means they not only lock you out of your data, but also threaten to leak it. So what can you do? Stay vigilant. Awareness is your first line of defense. Regularly update your security protocols. Make sure your systems are always up to date with the latest security patches. Educate your team about the latest threats. Regular training sessions can make a big difference. And of course, invest in robust cybersecurity defenses. The right tools can help you stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Cybercrime-as-a-Service is here to stay, but with the right precautions, you can protect your business. Stay safe out there. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. See you next time.